This is interior of left ventricle. We have removed this flap from anterior wall of left ventricle. The rough portion is of trabeculae carneae. You can see here the muscle lines, trabeculae carneae. Due to this trabeculae carneae, the inflowing portion of the chamber become rough. Okay, then here is bicuspid valve apparatus. We can see the leaflet, anterior leaflet. Here is posterior leaflet. This is anterior leaflet. This is posterior leaflet. These are chordae tendineae and these are posterior papillary muscles. These are anterior papillary muscles. From these anterior papillary muscles, chordae tendineae and anterior leaflet. Okay. So now we will see the outflowing portion. This part is smooth. On its upper part, there is an opening of aorta, and to see that opening, we will extend our incision up to aorta. So we have taken the cut on lower portion of aorta. This is ascending aorta, and this is valve. This is valve guarding the opening of ascending valve. We can see the cusp 1, 2 and 3. So this is the smooth infundibular part of left ventricle.